Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, in the last videos we covered up to interview question 44. In today's session, we are going to talk about the next interview question, which is nothing but 45. What about this question? It is also continuation for these bitwise operators. Explain about explain about left shift. Okay, left shift and right shift bitwise operators. Okay, so there are two special bitwise operators are there. One is left shift, another one is right shift. So how we are representing symbolically this left shift, which is represented by double less than symbol. How we are representing this right shift symbolically, double greater than symbol, like that we have. Now we need to take some example and we have to explore. Okay. So first let me demonstrate by taking a simple example here. Okay. Suppose if you take any number like I am taking 5. Okay. Let us take the number 5 and I want to do left shift with 1. Means what? I want to shift one bit towards left direction. I want to shift one bit towards left direction. So since it is talking about the shifting of bits, compulsory you need to take these binary numbers either in 8-bit format or 16-bit format. So or 32-bit format, like that we have to take, sir. Dot dot dot. But anyway, for our easy understanding purpose, I am taking the number in 8-bit format. So first 4 bits I am taking as a 0000. Next 4 bits, so 8421 code. Okay, like what we are going to take. So 84. Okay, so 21, because the binary representation of 5 full-fledgedly is nothing but this one, sir. Sir, okay, fine. But since we have to talk about the shifting, right? Shifting in the sense what? We have to move the bits. Sir, how you are going to move? Let us consider all these bits are in this style. All these bits are in this style. Just assume. Now, total how many bits are there? 8 bits. This length is nothing but what? 8 bits. 8 bits length is there. Now, my requirement is I want to move the bits. If you want to move the bits, let us take, sir, same bits. So let us take the same representation like this. Total how many bits is required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 0th bit will be gone, sir. We are not required to store that 0th bit. Next, this 0 will come in this place. Then 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 this 1 will come in this place. This 0 will come in this place. This 1 will come in this place. Sir, last bit is vacant. Last bit is vacant. That is always filled with 0, sir. Now, what is its decimal equivalent? 10. So, by shifting one bit towards left direction for the number 5, this is the result what we got, which is nothing but what? 10. Like this we have. Yeah. So, you can see like this we are going to get. Okay. This is nothing but what is the 5 left shift of 1. See, there is one small shortcut formula is there. So if you want to take 5 left shift of 1, just multiply that 5 with 2, sir. It is sufficient. What is the result that we are going to get? A 10, which is nothing but our expected output. That's all. Sir, what about right shift? If I want to do right shift, the same operation we need to repeat. Let us change the color. I am taking, so 5 right shift of 2. So I'm taking the same bits, same 8 bits. So first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. So fifth bit, sixth bit, seventh bit, eighth bit. So first I'm representing the initial values. This is nothing but the initial value what we have. Now we have to do, so 5 right shift, not left shift, right shift of how many bits? 1 bit I want to shift. So in the target also, how many bits will be there? In the target also, we are going to have 8 bits will be there. First bit, second bit, so third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit, seventh bit, eighth bit. So this one will be gone, sir. It won't store. This one will be gone. Okay, because we are not moving towards left. We are moving towards right. So in that place, this 0 will come. Right. In this place, this 1 will come. In this place, this 0 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 will come. Sir, last bit is always vacant. It is filled with which number? 0 as usual. What is its decimal equivalent? What is its decimal equivalent? So 8421, which is nothing but what? 2. Like this, we are going to get. Can I use the shortcut? Like it is nothing but 5 by 2, right? Because whenever you are doing left shift, it is going to increase the powers of 2. Whenever you are doing right shift, it will decrease the powers of 2. That's why when we are doing left shift, we have to multiply that digit, that number by 2. Whenever you are doing right shift, we have to divide with 2. Beyond that, nothing is there. I hope you understood this particular content, sir. Just take a screenshot of this so that it will be easy for you to reference purpose. Now I want to implement this program. How you can do? Let us take one simple example. One simple example I am taking. So first I am reading the value of n from the user. So enter n value like this. Next, m is equal to int of input. So enter number of shifts, number of shifts. Okay, now I'm going to print. So here I will use a format specifier. Now I am taking n left shift of these many bits is nothing but what? We can take n left shift of m. Directly it will substitute the values. For right shift, I am taking here like this. That's all. Now I want to run this program. Let us give our inputs or whatever I have given earlier. Okay. Now the input which I am giving here is the input which I am going to provide here is same. Whatever example we covered previously, let us take that 5. Enter number of shifts, 1 shift. You can see 5 left shift of 1 is a 10, 5 right shift of 1 is a 2. If you take a 5 and number of shifts is 2, so 5 left shift of 1 is we have to multiply 5 with 2. But left shift of 2 means what? We have to multiply 2 times, like 5 into 2, 10. Whatever result that you got into 2. Okay. So 5 into 2 is nothing but a 10. Into 2 means 20. What about right shift? 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2. Again by 2, which is nothing but 1. You can see 5 left shift of 2 is 20. 5 right shift of 2 is nothing but what? 1. Like that we are going to get. This is nothing but how we can work with left shift and right shift bitwise operators. Hope it is very clear for you. Okay. Right. Thank you, friends.